Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to unlock ancient archives. First things first, you'll need 4 different fragments. The ancient, deep sea, earth and solar fragments. The ancient fragment is the easiest. All you have to do is fish at the waterfall for a bit, with an aurora for higher chance. Should only take about 5 to 10 minutes. The second fragment, the deep sea fragment, can be found under the waterfall. No requirement or trial are needed for this one. Just recommend to have diving gear. The third one, the earth fragment, can be found in a mini cave on the side of the island. Just walk sideways around the island to find it if you want to find it faster. Hey, thank you guys so much for 485 subs. We're so close to 500. Once you find it, it'll be right there waiting for you. Okay, so this is when it gets a little hard. You'll need an eclipse for the solar fragment. So here's 2 options you can do. Option A, buy and use an eclipse totem for 250,000. Or option B, server hop for 1. Whatever one fits you best. Once you do that, you're going to want to follow where I go. If you're stuck here, do as Michael Scott said, parkour. At the top of the island, you'll see the fragment. But hurry, cause you never know, someone could use a sundial totem. Once you have all 4, this is the part that's crucial. You'll need an eclipse and 4 other people with the fragments as well. And by 4 other people, like only each person needs to have one of each fragment. So you could ask some friends or people in the server to help you open it. Again, reminder, you need an eclipse for this to even work. So this is when you need to pay attention. During the eclipse, for example, one person will put the earth fragment on the green pedestal. Here's the translation. Ancient fragment green pedestal. Again, only one person has to do each fragment, while the other 3 do the rest. For example, one person does earth, one person does ancient, one does solar, and one does deep sea. Once you got your group together, place the fragments in their pedestals and rotate them to face you. Remember, it has to be done during an eclipse or they won't turn at all. Then you'll have opened the door if you turned all 4 pedestals right. Then you'll have the crafting area unlocked, where you can craft rods like Elder Moss Ripper, Evil Pitchfork, Rod of the Forgotten Fong, and Rod of the Eternal